everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at something very unique. Matter of fact, in our, 47 years, I can tell you we've never had one. This is a 1973 Chevrolet van, a conversion van, a camper van. Wicked cool. This is where I kind of get myself, I like neat stuff, and I just thought this thing was super cool. And for the money, I think somebody's going to have a blast with this thing. The guy that I bought it from had a blast with it, I'll tell you that. It trucks out of North Carolina. Again, it's a 73 camper van. You can see it's got the little conversion kit on top. It's all converted inside. Truck was actually restored in 2010. He's had this thing all over the country. I mean, tons of car shows, Woodward. He's from North Carolina. But I'll tell you, he said it's just a great truck. I've driven it. Nathan's driven it. Mike's driven it here. This thing hits the road great. It's finished in classic white with it's got the gold metallic on the bottom. Brand new wheels and tires. It seems like everything on this thing works. But it really hits the road good. Again, he bought it, I think 2009, and then, like I say, it's been all restored, and he went through the brakes and everything like that. And it's just a cool truck. Something I think somebody's going to have a blast with. Bumpers look original. It's definitely something that has been very well maintained. Paint's nice. No, it's an outside hood release, Nathan. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. It's got the pop-up camper inside, which will show you all that. You can see all the windows pop out. Some of them have screens on them, which is cool. The thing's got an aftermarket AC unit, like a window unit. Neat truck, man. Good, solid, straight body. And this thing is clean as can be underneath. You can see it's got a hitch if you wanted to pull a trailer with it. It's got a new, I think he called it 11-gallon water tank on it with a pump. Yeah, this thing's cool. And for the money, with all the van life people and people who like to use this stuff, like we used this kind of stuff when I had when I had a toter. I used this at baseball games. You know, when my kids had baseball games, I'd take it out. I think somebody's gonna have a blast with this thing. 350 engine, pretty much bone stock underneath there. Does have air. The air blows cold, so it's got cab air, and then, like I say, it's got an aftermarket AC unit that's a window unit that goes in there as well. Power steering, power brakes. All your GM tags are all still intact. Aluminum radiator in there. There's your North Carolina safety tag. It's cool, man. Super neat. This stuff looks all original. Yeah, and there's some little blemishes and stuff you can kind of pick at, but still, it's just really cool truck. Original door tag. Factory dash. He said it's 113,000 miles. He did not know how many miles were on it since he's rebuilt it. Again, he's had it Myrtle Beach. Matter of fact, all the shows that I go to, man, he's had it at the Rod Run and Pigeon Forge. I mean, he's had this truck everywhere. He's had it up here to the Woodward Dream Cruise. Seats are nice, does have seat belts, aftermarket sound system works. It's got cruise on it. I couldn't get the cruise to come on, but I don't know if I'm doing it right either. This is a switch for all your interior lights that click on in there. All the gauges are functional. Again, radio works, air works. That's your controllers for the air. How neat is this thing? Just super cool. Dual exhaust, just stock rear axle. Looks like he's got some kind of insulation in the doors. All this stuff works. Again, you can see the screens in here. This will unpop right here. Microwave goes with it. And again, you guys are probably going to know more about this than I do. I'm sure this all folds down for a bed. There's all kind. This is a like a closet in here. It's pretty cool. And like you say, nice and clean. We'll pop all this stuff down and close it up before we run it down the road. And it goes up and down real easy. You just literally push it up. I'll show you when I get inside. Just push this camper up. And speakers there. This is a window AC unit. Again, this is a closet. There's multiple compartments in here. Fridge, sink. There's a table over there. There's some kind of watt unit over there. This goes up. Let me show you in here so you can see that this thing is clean. This goes up and you just basically pop. This all unzips. I don't know what these are for. I'm sure they go to this somehow. But these just pull back and this thing will just come down. But pretty neat. Maybe these rods are just for, because it looks like they support up here. Like I say, somebody will know more than me about them. I guarantee you. I just thought it was cool. Door seams are clean. I mean, it's just a cool truck. Seats are nice. They've definitely been redone. Dash looks good. We'll go ahead and fire it up, Nathan, and go through the lights, but then we'll shut everything up. Oh, sorry. Again, the air blows cold. You turn that on by the dash, or by those controls on the dash. All the gauges are functional. You see the thing's holding good oil pressure. Everything opens and closes real nice. Yep. Remember, you can see me. It's got dual exhaust. Radio all works. Like I say, the blower motor works. Did you turn it on? It just goes to, and then and it's got all kinds of speakers in here. Blower motor works. Wipers work. We'll do the headlights and stuff, and then we'll stop the video and I'm going to stop it. We'll close it up and run it down the road. We'll run this thing down the road. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys. Have a great day, guys.